How to turn off name drop on iPhone. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your settings. Let's just go back here. And then under settings, you have to go here to your general. Now, after clicking on general, there you will see airdrop. Click on that, and then here, as you can see, you will see bringing devices together. So basically, name drop feature allows you to share your contact information by being next to another iPhone. So like a few centimeters from the top of other person's iPhone or Apple Watch, you will now be able to share your contact information. Now, this is turned on by default. Now, if you wish to disable that one, then all you have to do is you have to just simply toggle off this option, bringing devices together. So if you wish to turn that off or to disable that feature, all you have to do is to toggle that off, and basically you have now successfully turned off the name drop feature on iPhone. And basically that is it. And that is how you turn off name drop on iPhone. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.